Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sander for doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Festool ETS 125 REQ-Plus Random Orbital Sander. Every sanding need is covered with this Festool Random Orbital Sander, from paint removing to fine polishing wooden doors. It has a variable speed functionality so that one can use different sanding pads with the same machine to do the entire door sanding job. For contractors, sanding doors and windows are stressful because of the long-term vertical applications of heavy, powerful machinery. This lightweight sander fits in the fist. It makes one-handed operation possible. The no vibration mechanism is a bonus for fatigue-free limbs. The only drawback is it is very expensive. Only professional woodworkers and contractors can afford this one. For homeowners and DIYers, there are other more affordable options on this list. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Makita BO4556 2-amp finishing sander, Teal. The round shape of a random orbital sander fails to reach the corners of the door when it is already assembled. Most people choose to sand their doors without removing them from the frame. This finishing sander is a more convenient option for them for its square shape of the pad. The only drawback is, it is a single-speed sander. This Makita finishing sander collects dust through the dust pad. This is how it finishes without leaving swirl marks. As it is a budget-friendly finishing sander, if the material buildup beneath the sanding paper is high, then it may leave swirl marks on the surface. A good tip is to go slow while you are giving a finishing touch on the door you are working on. This way, all the dust buildup will be sucked in through the pad, and all you will have is a flawless door, ready to paint. At number 3, we have the Skil State Route 211601 Random Orbital Sander with transparent dust box. The variable speed of this unit is useful not only for various stages of sanding a door but also for multiple materials as well. Do you want to remodel the wooden door at the front, the plexiglass door in the shower, and the garage's metal door? This one unit is the master of sanding all these different materials. While other sanders become slow by applying pressure, this one becomes even more aggressive when pressed on the surface. That is why it works faster and more efficiently compared to other competitors. It has a transparent dust box to make dust extraction and cleaning easier. The dust collection is not so satisfactory, though. For half the price of a powerful random sander, I think this one is smart for refinishing different door materials. At number 2, we have the Bosch ROS-20VSC Palm Orbital Sander, Polisher Kit. Due to a 2.5 amp powerful motor, Bosch ROS-20VSC Palm Sander removes a great amount of material at the highest speed. You can strip off old paint and varnish from the door surface more quickly with this. It has a variable speed, which is easy to change with a convenient regulator. This one is also useful for fine finishing to erase all the swirl marks of low-grit papers. However, this unit has got all the assortments. One needs to use it at a professional level. The included dust control system collects all the fine dust to breathe fresh air, not fine wood material. With the included adapter, you can also choose to connect it with the shop vac if you have any. This unit weighs around 3.5 pounds, which is a pain to hold vertically and overhead for a long time. With big guys, this one should not be an issue. This is an affordable palm sander for professionals as well as homeowners. And finally, at number 1, we have the Craftsman CMEW231 Random Orbit Sander. The performance you will get from CMEW231 Craftsman Sander will put the name brand Orbital Sanders to shame. It has a low-profile design for easy reach to tight places and fits in the palm for a better grip on it. It is equipped with a 3-amp beastie motor, probably the mightiest for a random orbital sander. It collects dust quite well, but you shouldn't fall for the advertisement as they claim it to attach to a standard vacuum hose. But you can still make it useful by including a soft plastic reducer sleeve of 1.5 by 1.25 inch size. People also attach it to their regular vacuum cleaner as well, if it fits. This sander is backed by a 3 years long warranty. The dust-sealed switch and sturdy body are proof of its lasting performance. For noise and vibration-free sanding and a subtle, seamless finish, why not get this one for a budget-friendly price? Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.